Hello friends, we are unboxing today the Blaupunkt earphone which I received very late from Flipkart. It's been 4 days delay right now, and today is Saturday 20th of June. I have received this instead of 16th of June was the expected date to deliver this product. So let's have unbox this product right now. I have to cut it, so I'm using a pair of scissors. I don't want to get the bill in pieces. Previously I had ordered boat bass head 172 which was not in good condition, so I had to return that. The unboxing of that is also, I'm providing the link in the description. You can have a visit over there. The product price, everything is good. I didn't found any additional bill inside this, so I may have to consider this as a original bill. I hope everything is fine with this product, because as I told, the previous product which was bass boat set, which was not in good condition, it was damaged and even the seal was open. I'll keep this thing aside. So here I can see that this is a seal over here, proper sealed one. So these are Blaupunkt Em10 wired earphones. I'll open it from here. The earphones. Let's check the quality first. I have to check wires first, because previously the wires were damaged. You can see this is in a good condition. Even I have got a little accessories. These are earbuds which I didn't got in previous one, and this is a small catalog, and I don't see any warranty card inside. So this is the earphones. I'll share the quality, voice quality and everything in the comments after using this. So that's it. Do visit the link for Bass Boards at 172 unboxing, and please keep supporting. Please like and share the channel for more videos that will inspire me. Thank you.